Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various companies like the HCL Tech, Amazon, Accenture, and other hiring. So if you are the fresher looking for some important internship and opportunity, then this video is for you. So talking about the first important opportunity, this is from the HCL Tech under PMIS internship program. So you can directly share your resume to this mail ID. So they are hiring for the role of HR intern also. So if you want, you can apply. So for applying, just I will provide the link. Check there whether you are eligible for or not, and the certain requirements are there. So you have to just apply with the updated resume. Okay. So knowledge of basic MS Office, PowerPoint, and Excels are required for this important hiring. Moving to next important hiring, that is from the Amazon for the role of transportation representative, and the job locations. This will be a virtual, and the domain will be supply chain transport management. So job description for L2 associates, and you should be graduates in any degree or means from a recognized qualifications. Okay, the main things is excellent communication skills are required for this, and preferred qualification you should proficient in Excel or any inclusive culture in Power, then you will be preferred. Going to next, that is from the Accenture. They are hiring for the role of procure to pay operations new associate. So this is your non-technical profile. So if you want, you can apply. The job locations for this will be Chennai, and BBA BCom students only can apply. And get experience year 0 to 1 year means freshers can apply for this wonderful opportunity. And just refer to complete job description. I provide all those updates here. Moving to next importantly, that is from the Fractal. They are hiring for the role of full stack developer, and this is a full time role. So if you haven't applied for this wonderful opportunity, must apply. Okay. So what will your responsibility? Will develop and maintain AWS Lex based chatbot workflow, develop and maintain integration with backend system and API based DevOps practices, Jenkins pipeline, and AWS will be there. Okay, friends, for such getting such important updates, you can subscribe us. Recently, I have provided you update related to CDEC. This is the biggest hiring. So if you haven't applied or you have missed, then must apply for that. Okay, that is a good hiring. Next important opportunity, that is from the IBM. So they are hiring for the role of associate system engineer, and you can directly apply from the LinkedIn. Okay, so far 100 people have applied for this wonderful opportunity. So talking about the job, so you can refer to it. This will be your responsibility as a software developer. You will participate in many aspects of software development life cycles, and other things are there. So preferred education, bachelor degree, and the knowledge of any one language, preferably in Java, C++, Python, Node.js, and no active backlogs are allowed. So if you are 2026 pass out, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. The branches which is usually CSE, IML, data science, cloud computing, big data analytics, CSBS, IoT, and all those are eligible for this wonderful background. Moving to last important opportunity, so hiring alert, IT opportunities. Okay, so this is the project coordinator, freshers to 6 month. So you can directly share your resume to this mail ID. Hope informative to you. कोई query है feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, or anywhere, and you can ask your query there. मिलते हैं next updates में. Thank you.